Hi there and welcome to Baking for Joy. In this video we're going to be making a Swiss roll. You will need to set your oven to 200 degrees Celsius and you're going to need a Swiss roll tin, or otherwise known perhaps as a Lamington tin or a slice tin. So the dimensions of that tin will be in the instructions below. I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you do, please press the like button. Don't forget to check out my other baking videos that are on my YouTube channel. And if you're ready, let's bake. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day and happy baking.